Hello students, this is a general video and as a mathematics students you are always making a lot of mistakes, errors in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Same rule is applicable for rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay. Now we have to study thoroughly. Without these rules you cannot solve any single question in any chapter of mathematics. But these rules are very simple. And as a revision practice chapter, you have to practice it thoroughly, frequently. Okay. Now I will explain about the addition of two numbers, minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. In this minus 3 plus 4, minus 3, this is negative, this is positive. To add two numbers, which is opposite sign, one is negative, one is positive, subtract the smaller absolute value. Absolute value means number without sign. Smaller absolute value of minus 3, 3, 4, 4. Then subtract smaller from greater. 4 minus 3, 1. Put the result sign of the greater. Greater number is 4, its sign is plus. Minus 10 plus 7. Minus 10 plus 7, to add two numbers with opposite sign. One is negative, one is positive. To add two numbers with opposite sign, subtract smaller absolute value from greater and put to the result the sign of greater absolute value. Okay? And you have to minus 10 plus 7. Minus 10 plus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Put to the result sign of the greater absolute value is minus 3. Now, minus 3 plus minus 4. To add two numbers, both are negative. To add two or more negative numbers. To add two or more negative numbers. Add them together and put a negative sign. 3 plus 4, 7, put a negative sign. Also, minus 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. Put a negative sign. Okay. These are the two main rules for addition. Addition, to add two numbers with opposite sign and to add two or more negative numbers. To add two or more positive numbers, you know very well. Okay. Yes. Now we have to take a subtraction. Subtraction. A minus b is equal to a plus minus b. Subtract b from a, that means adding minus b with a. Additive inverse of b with a. 3, 7 minus 4. Subtract minus 4 from 7. The rule is add to subtract. Subtraction is equal to adding additive inverse. 7 instead of subtraction, adding additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. That is 7 plus 4, 11. That is the answer. Minus 3 minus 4. Subtract minus 4 from minus 3. Minus 3, add additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. Then minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, subtract smaller from greater, put to the result sign of the greater. Now this is the case in which addition and subtraction. Now multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. To multiply two numbers. Simply multiply. 3 into 2 how many? 6. This is positive, this is negative. Opposite sign. If it is one is positive, one is negative, that is opposite sign, the product will be negative. Same sign, both are positive, both are negative. Minus 3 into minus 2. First multiply 6. Put same sign, positive, plus 6. minus 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. One is negative, one is positive. They are opposite sign, therefore negative. This is the same rule for division also. Minus 4 divided by 2. 4 by 2, 2. Which sign you have to put? One is dividend is minus, divisor is positive. One is negative, one is positive, therefore opposite side. Therefore opposite side, the quotient will be negative. Then minus 8 divided by minus 2. In this division, both numbers, dividend and divisor, they are of same sign. Same sign. First divide 8 by 2, how many? 4. And put the result. Which sign you have to put? Positive sign. Minus 8 by minus 2, 4. Okay. These are all about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Thank you.